Hello from a very sunny Spencer's Wood. I'm here today to give you a tour of number 11 Ryeish Lane, which is of course the house that's behind me. One thing I would say before I start the tour is about the location. I'm just going to step to one side here and just give you an idea of the driveway. You can see the driveway alongside the house. That takes you down to the garage, and also there's a gate to the rear garden. But the location of this property is undoubtedly one of the real features. I'm going to spin round before we go inside, just to give you an idea. You can see what's behind me. So this is what the property overlooks. So as you can see, it's rather unusual. So we've got a modern house on a small development here, but it really doesn't feel like you're on a development because of the view out the front of this house. I'm just doing a full circle for you. There you go, before we then venture inside and take a look. So the entrance hall, first of all. We have, just to give you an idea of the layout, door here to the third reception room, downstairs WC, kitchen in front, staircase, and this is the door to the lounge. I'm just going to reverse up here, show you this is the front door that I've just come through. We do have a cupboard just here on the right hand side as well. So let's start by showing you the downstairs WC. Good size. In fact, this really is a utility WC. As you can see, we've got a good work surface there, wash basin. There is actually a washing machine integrated underneath, and radiator in the WC there. So that's the downstairs WC stroke utility room, best way to describe it. Now to the lounge. So this, as you can see, opens up into a further sitting area behind. This property is immaculate in its presentation. I'm just going to walk along here and turn around. Beautiful house inside. Best way to describe it is it's like a show house. But I should just point out the view. I did promise I would. So basically what we have here is an open green there, as you can see. Let's just spin round to one side. Really nice. Just a lovely spot for this house. There you go. Okay, so this is the lounge, as I mentioned. I'm going to take you across the other side of the hallway next and show you the sort of family room. That's here, front aspect. You can see the radiator under there. The windows, by the way, are all double glazed, UPVC double glazed sealed units. So that's the third reception room. Could be a study, it's a family room. And then what I think is the real feature of this house is this kitchen. I'm just going to give you a full idea of what we have. Kitchen, diner and family area. Just focusing on this bit for a second. We've got French doors just there onto the garden. Nice little sitting area. Then the dining space, you can see you've got a table, comfortably sat there. And then across to the kitchen, we've got a breakfast bar to my right there. Quartz work surfaces, integrated appliances, very nice. Start from the left. As you can see, we've got a built-in double oven there. We've got, just on the left here, this is a fridge freezer built in. Work surface space, 5-ringed gas hob. We have an integrated dishwasher just there. And the boiler is in the eye level unit in the corner just there. And then a slightly wider work surface here. Of course, this is where the breakfast bar area. Another set of French doors. So it's got 2 sets of French doors onto the garden, as well as the window there, which is behind the sink. Yeah, so really good. Just one other thing, we've got quite a deep understairs storage cupboard just there. So that's the ground floor. for the house. Let's now make our way upstairs and show you the first floor. Just worth mentioning a couple of things as I walk upstairs. Location wise, yes, very quiet, very tucked away, yet actually quite close to Spencer's Wood Village Centre, where you've got plenty of shops. We've got the local garage there, the post office, a couple of mini markets, the baker's, hairdresser's, chemist. Yeah, it's all there. The other thing, of course, is that where we are here, we're probably 5 minutes drive to the M4 junction 11. So again, quite a convenient spot. So on the landing here, this is the airing cupboard. It's got a hot water tank in there. It is a pressurised system. I'm going to start on the right hand side here. Show you the family bathroom first of all. Again, very smart. Let's just close the door, show you the bath with, it's got a shower over the bath in here. And the wash basin, the low level WC, nice tiling. And then quite a large towel rail here, heated towel rail. The flooring in here is nice tiling as well. So smart family bathroom. We've got 2 bedrooms on this level. Start with this one. So it's a rear aspect. Again, slightly different decoration, as you can see, with the sort of panelling at the lower part below the dado. The floorings, by the way, the carpets, pretty consistent with the decor. Very smart, very neat. So in this bedroom, we actually have a front aspect here. As you can see, the view out the front window there. Very nice. And I'm just going to turn around, and I have opened up the wardrobe doors. Now, I don't normally actually open wardrobe doors, but this one I have because you can see that we have it sort of hanging and also the fitted drawers. So very deep as well. So that's a really smart built-in double wardrobe. And then across this side here is the master bedroom. This is interesting because this one has a separate dressing room just through the opening there. I'll show you that in just a second. But again, the view from the front is there. So let's show you the dressing area. It does take you through to the ensuite. So we've got space for on both sides for wardrobes, as you can see, wardrobes there and on that side there. And then the ensuite shower. Just firstly to the left, there's the low WC, the wash basin. Very much the same sort of style as the main bathroom, but I'm just going to show you the shower. I'm going to pull the door up here because it's a very big shower. It's kind of double width really. Again, smart tiling and the tiled floor. Oh, last but not least, I've got a heated towel in here as well. So that's the ensuite. Back into the dressing area here and then through the bedroom again. So that's this level with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms as well as the dressing room. Let's now take you to the next level where we've got 2 more bedrooms. Let's start on the right hand side here. Show you this one. It's always good when I'm showing a house where we've actually got a double bed in situ because it just gives you an idea of the size. On this one, I'm just going to point out the window at the front. There is a window just there. It's blacked out just to help little ones sleep during the day. We've also got a skylight window just here. So that's a really good sized bedroom. And then let's just spin round. Over this side, we have another bedroom. This is actually used more as a playroom, in fact, as you can probably see. So it's a front aspect window, again with that cracking view, but a double bedroom. Okay, and then last but not least, here we have a shower room. So this is not an ensuite shower room, this is actually available off the landing, so any occupant of any bedroom can use this. So this is the 3rd bathroom we've seen. Heated towel rail there again. and this one has a skylight window. Okay, so that is the property. I'll now show you the rear garden. I've mentioned a little bit about the location as far as the convenience for all of the... sorry, I'm just spin the camera around, it's playing tricks on me. About amenities at the centre of Spencer's Woods, that's all very good. Access to the motorway M4. Of course, Heathrow is half an hour's drive from here. The other thing that's worth mentioning out is because we're south of the M4, access down to the M3 at Basingstoke is probably 15 minutes drive away, so that's all very convenient as well if you're going to the sort of south of the country travelling. Okay, so the garden. So we've got a full width patio. Let me just step over here and just turn round away from that sunlight coming into the lens. There you go, a full width patio. There's the gate that takes you to the drive. Then we have the lawn. And we have sort of panelled fencing, or sort of panelling at least against the garage wall, just to make it look a little bit more rustic. I'm just going to show you through here. We've got the garage, really good sized single garage here with a pitch roof on it, as you can see. And then if I just spin round, that just gives you an idea of the drive. Easily 2 large vehicles, but like I said, possibly a third, depending how big that vehicle is. So that is the property. Anyone that would like to take a look inside, I can see we've had a couple of people click on that button that says request a private inspection. So this is the last chance to do that now. Obviously, if you're watching a recording of this, then you'll need to telephone the office. The number's on the website. If you've got any questions, do ask to speak to me. It's the same number. My name's Gary, and I'm sure I'll be able to answer any questions before you come to have a look at the house. So it just remains to say thank you very much for watching.